Let's slow down and imagine this again. You're home alone, phone in hand. It's late. The streets outside are empty. Inside, it's just you and the quiet hum of the fridge. You're scrolling Instagram, liking a friend's beach photo, swiping past a food reel, maybe replying to a meme. Then your phone vibrates. A new DM. Hey, I saw you at the cafe earlier. How was the mocha? You pause. It's not a friend. It's not even a name you recognize. And here's the part that makes your stomach twist. You never posted about the cafe. You never texted anyone about it. You never even took a photo. So how do they know? The next day, you're at the bank. You withdraw a decent sum of cash, just something you needed for the week. On the way home, feeling productive, you post a selfie with the caption, "Getting things done, productive day." That night, a stranger walks up and says, "Hope that 50,000 lasts you a while. By the way, your wallet's in your right pocket." Your heart jumps. You turn around. No one's there. But the truth is scarier. You've been leaving breadcrumbs, and someone has been quietly picking them up. Before we dig into exactly how this is happening, and how a single Instagram feature could be silently leaking your personal life, pause for a moment, hit that subscribe button right now, and turn on notifications. Why? Because in the next few minutes, I am going to give you the exact steps to shut down the digital open window that strangers could be peeking through this very moment. Let's talk about the spy you bought yourself. Your phone is not just a phone. It's the most advanced tracking device in history. It knows your home address, your commute route, your shopping habits, your daily timetable, the exact time you wake up and sleep. Just from your screen activity now. Imagine this data in the wrong hands. No hacking needed. No Hollywood-style spy operation. Just watching what you post. The Friend Map Trap System. On August 6, 2025, Instagram launched Friend Map. The pitch: see your friends in real time. Stay connected. Sounds innocent, until you flip it. Let strangers see where you are. Give stalkers your real-time coordinates. Here's the dangerous fine print. Even if you don't turn Friend Map on, any location-tagged story or post still pins you to a map for 24 hours. Posting coffee break at the roastery at 3 p.m. means people can know exactly where you are until 3 p.m. tomorrow. Fake accounts can get added to your friend list and track you without raising suspicion. And some users have claimed their location still appeared even with location services off. Meaning, the control you think you have might not be real. How stalkers work. Let's say someone wants to track you. They follow your public account or make a fake profile to get accepted. They monitor your posts for patterns. Same cafe every Thursday. Gym at 6 p.m. Supermarket Sundays. They check the backgrounds of your photos for landmarks or street signs. They figure out your home area based on recurring locations. They know when you're away, and for how long. This isn't theory. It's how real stalking cases have been built. Case 1. In 2024, a man followed a woman's Instagram stories for 3 months. He noticed her jogging route in the background of her fitness selfies. One day, he waited along that path. She escaped unharmed, but it was a close call. Case to London, 2023. A tech worker had her apartment broken into while she was on holiday. How? She posted daily beach stories, which told thieves her house was empty for a full week. Case 3, New York, 2022. A college student was harassed by a stranger who knew her class schedule. Pieced together from her tagged coffee shop check-ins before lectures. The psychology of oversharing. We live in an attention economy. Social media is designed to reward sharing. Every like, comment, and DM gives your brain a dopamine hit. The more you post, the more you crave that feeling. But here's the dangerous twist. Your brain can't always tell the difference between a safe audience and a risky one. You think you're talking to friends. In reality, you're broadcasting to everyone who can see your profile. Friends, strangers, bots, and people you'd never want to meet in real life. The illusion of safe settings. Many people believe, I'm fine, my account is private. But here's why that's not enough. People screenshot your posts and share them. Friends tag you in posts with location info. Data can still leak via mutual friend networks. Your private world is not as sealed as you think. It's a time for building your digital safety net. Step 1. Tech settings. Turn off Instagram's access to your phone's GPS. Disable automatic location tagging. Limit Friend Map to only your inner circle. Or turn it off completely. Step 2. Posting habits. Post after you leave a location, not during. Use vague locations, city name, instead of cafe name. Avoid posting valuables in real time. Step 3. Social audit. Review followers monthly. Remove ghost accounts or people you don't interact with. Watch out for accounts with no profile picture or low activity. They might be fake. The wake-up question before every post. Ask yourself, would I tell this to a random stranger standing next to me in a bus queue? If the answer is no, it doesn't belong on your story. Final words: privacy is not about being secretive. It's about staying safe. Your phone is powerful. It can connect you or expose you. So my dear audience, the next time you pick up your phone to post, remember, the most dangerous thing isn't out there on the street. It's in your own hand, glowing at you, waiting for you to click share. Stay aware, stay alive. And if this video made you rethink your next post, subscribe right now and share this with someone you care about. You might just protect their life.